Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 KTM 990 SMT. That's the Super Sport Motard Touring. Beautiful equipped bike. Handguards, a tall GV dark smoke windscreen. It's got a great sounding exhaust system. This bike also comes with side cases, rear foot pegs, beautiful condition, carbon fiber front fender, heated electric grips, touring road lights. Price to sell way under book at $49.99. She's got 83,000 on the odometer, and it's been rebuilt fully at 60,000 miles. So this bike is good to go. Custom seat. Come by, make your KTM 990 SMT dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. For at any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Runs beautifully. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.